My question is, ano po kaya yung most relevant or timely pressing environmental issue na sa tingin nyo na kailangang i-resolve?
Hello po sa mga kababayan ko. Unang-una, mag-ingat po tayo sa darating na bagyo. Malakas po ito. Siguraduhin niyo pong lumikas na kayo habang may panahon pa kung kailangan yung lumikas. And maghanda po ng mga, alam niyo yung mga pagkain, mga emergency kits and everything. And also po, please don't forget to vote for me in the Miss Universe app powered by Zentrix. It's our advocacy video. It will really help my organization, Alan Academy, if you vote for us. Because Miss Universe will grant us a certain project when you win. Thank you.
The new Miss Universe is Philippines!